Sarah, what a coincidence running into you here.
Adam. I know, right? I was just on my way to the park for a walk.
The park? I was actually thinking of going there too, but I'm a bit early.
You know me, I like to get there before the crowds.
Crowds? I thought this was a quiet spot.
It usually is, but the weather's been so nice lately, everyone's coming out.
I guess you're right. So, how's life been treating you?
It's been good. I just got back from a trip to Europe.
That sounds amazing. Where did you go?
I visited Paris, Rome, and Barcelona. It was incredible.
Wow, that's a lot of traveling. I'm jealous.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I tried all sorts of new foods.
Like what?
Well, I tried escargot for the first time in Paris.
Snails? That's adventurous.
Yeah, I was a bit hesitant at first, but it was actually really good.
I can imagine. I've tried them before, but I'm not a big fan.
What about you? Have you traveled anywhere exciting recently?
Actually, yes. I went to New York City for a conference.
That's great. What was it like?
It was amazing. The energy of the city is infectious.
I can imagine. I've always wanted to visit.
You should. It's definitely a place I'd recommend.
Thanks for the tip. I might just have to plan a trip there soon.
I'd love to go back too. Maybe we can plan a trip together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea.
So, do you have any plans for the rest of the day?
Not really. Just a walk in the park and maybe grab some coffee later.
Sounds like a relaxing day. I might join you for coffee.
That would be great. I could use some company.
Good. I'll meet you at the cafe then?
Sounds good. See you soon.
See you soon.
It was great running into you, Adam.
Likewise, Sarah. Take care.
You too.